So today we'll be talking about influenza. Influenza is a viral respiratory infection that causes symptoms similar to but more severe than the common cold, such as fever, cough, flu, severe malaise, which means feeling unwell, joint pain, headaches, and fatigue. The flu can also sometimes cause vomiting, diarrhea, and nausea, particularly in young children. But the flu is primarily a respiratory disease and not a stomach or intestinal disease. Symptoms will develop from 1 to 4 days after contracting the virus. Most people recover within 2 weeks without medical treatment, but the flu can cause serious complications including pneumonia, bronchitis, asthma flare-ups, heart problems, and even ear infections. Well, there are 3 different flu viruses: influenza A, B, and C. Influenza A is the most severe among the 3, causing outbreak in birds and humans. It was the cause of the pandemics of H1N1, the Spanish and swine flu, and more. How about influenza B? Influenza B is exclusively found in humans but mutates at a much slower rate. Influenza C infects humans, dogs, and pigs but is less common than the other 2. Who are the high-risk groups? Children below the age of 5, senior citizens above 65, pregnant women, and those with underlying medical diseases such as diabetes, obese, and low immune system. And how does all this virus spread? Someone who is infected with this virus can spread it to those 2 meters away through droplets of air that contain the virus through sneezing and coughing. When inhaled by someone else, these viruses make their way into the respiratory tract and start to replicate rapidly. The droplets that contain the virus can land on and be transferred by touch through toys, remote controls, door handles, bed sheets, and others. So, what are the simple steps that you can take to prevent it? Get vaccination at your nearest clinic. Recently, our health minister announced that there are extra consignments of the flu vaccine that have been brought into the country to maintain sufficient supply. He said that following spike in flu cases, an additional 92,700 doses of vaccine were brought in on December 2. Secondly, boost your immune system by taking colostrum. Based on the clinical studies from San Valentino Spoltore Vascular Screening Project in G. D'Annunzio University in Italy, the research has shown that colostrum has demonstrated the ability to kill bacteria and viral invaders, stimulate tissue repair, particularly the bowel lining. Thirdly, wash your hands regularly, especially before meals. Fourth, avoid crowded areas. Stay away from sick people. And if you are not well, please guys, stay at home and wear a mask if you have to go out. Use a handkerchief or sneeze and cough onto your shirt sleeves so droplets do not spread to others nearby. Tissues that contain sneeze or cough droplets should be properly disposed of in trash cans. So I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to click the share button below so that others can benefit from it too. Bye!